And today, we are focusing on Europe. Every product GC brings to Europe is built to the highest standards with real engineering depth and commitment to quality.
It was not adapted for Europe, it was created for Europe. Every line, every surface, every small little detail and every proportion was conceived with the European streets and the European taste and our European customer in mind.